Hi guys, today's a Roblox video. I played this a little bit already. This game is called Repair a Car if you want to play it. It's fun. You spend money to get things to like repair these cars. It's fun. Yeah. I have a little bit of money. I got a few tools. Sorry, my tablet's been weird today. Haven't played on it in a long time. Pretty fun. $3,000? I'm gonna see if there's any more dirt on it so I can clean it off. I could get it in 5 stars. 20% chance. Let me show like 10% chance. And under. Maybe like a 12% chance sometimes. I get pretty lucky. Before I started this video, I got an F1. It's a 1% chance spawn rate. I got the sand gun. Pretty good if you want to sand off this rust to get more money. You spawn with the wrench and the sponge. You use the wrench to break off the parts that are like broken. And you have to go to the shop to repair them. You have to go to the shop to buy the parts. You can buy tools. Oh. My tablet's about to die. I'm gonna get way more money now. Wait, I might not have enough for 4 wheels. Gonna have enough for 2 doors, though. Yeah, my bank account. Wait, no, I won't get 5 stars. I wanted another 5-star thing. I will get a lot of money.
Oh, and I can't hear you down.
I turned it all the way down.
Why you have to do the shower for?
What?
Why you have to do that? Who gave you that truck?
Nobody. I just have to.
What is that your base for?
I don't know how to clean foggy windows and refill.
How do you get that base?
Oh, I can do that. You have to do a small bit of stuff. I don't know if I did that right.
She said all that.
My brother, he's playing a fishing game or like he's playing a fishing game or a hunting game. And he gets mad if he misses shots. Can you guys please subscribe? I'm small on YouTube, as you can see. wish I could get 6 stars on this. Hopefully I can get hopefully I can get back to $1,000 soon. Yeah, this is gonna be easy.
What are you playing?
I'm still playing this game. Alright, can you go away for a bit?
By watching?
No, I'm making a video.
Okay.
I hope you guys are having a good 2026 so far.
What are you playing now?
I might not have enough to afford all of that.
I'm watching.
Sorry, that's my brother. He's a little annoying sometimes. Four wheels. Just gonna break my bank. And 2 doors. Like I said on one of my videos, I can only film on the weekends because I can only film on my tablet. Do you think this looks good,
Did you make
guys?
the video yet?
I'm not done. 12% again. I can still do this for you. But guys, if you see repair engine, if you have under $500, then yeah, you're cooked. Cause every time I have to replace an engine, it sucks because they cost $500 to repair one engine. 4 wheels and 4 doors. I wish I could make a Roblox game. And if you watch this video like right away, it's gonna be on today's picks.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Hey, Sarah.
Oh, dang! I'm gonna do this good.
I thought it was.
I've never had this one before.
And you like it?
Oh, and are you done with it?
No.
Who's helping you?
No, I guess I gotta be friends with them. Finally, I can fuel a car.
I was just so sad. Treat me like that. They do me.
Okay, this person doesn't want me to fuck off. Sprays doors and his stuff. What'd you catch?
Look, that's the rarest one.
You got a Pyroba legendary. You caught a mythical bull shark before?
Yeah.
Equip the.
No, it's my best one.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Mythical's better than legendary. Get that out of my ear. Get that out of my ear. Go, Blaine.
Making a video.
Go. You're not included in this video. Hey guys. I'm about to get off. Bye guys.